Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have discussed some problems in tangent and normal from the chapter application of derivatives, right? So in the previous two videos, we have discussed problems on tangent and normal, including some DPPs and previous year problems also, correct? So today also we'll be going to discuss some more problems from the same topic, tangent and normal, from the chapter application of derivatives, and we'll be going to finish off the problems for JEE mains from this particular topic, tangent and normal. Okay, so let us have a look at that, right? Find all the tangents to the curve y equal to cos of x plus y, and x lies in between minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi, right? Within this values, this range only, we can find x value. X value means x coordinate of required point of contact, correct? Now, so the tangents are parallel to this line, right? X plus 2y equal to 0. Whenever tangent is parallel to this line slope is tangent slope, correct? So we have one clue. What is that? So what is slope of this one? Minus a by b, minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is the required tangent slope also, correct? So now, what is first step? In every problem of tangent and normal, we have to simplify the curve. Is there any need to simplify that curve? No, directly we will derivate. But before derivating that, we have to find point of contact. But here, from this, we cannot find point of contact. But what was second clue? Slope can be equated to minus 1 by 2. See here. Now let us go forward. Here y equals to cos of x plus y. Clear? So now let us derivate this one. Dy by dx. Derivation of cos x minus sine of x plus y. Again derivate inside function. So derivation of inside x 1. Derivation of y dy by dx. That's it. So what is dy by dx actually? Dy by dx slope is minus 1 by 2 from this, correct? Means dy by dx value should be equated to minus 1 by 2. Clear? So hope you can understand. Substitute minus 1 by 2 here. Left. Wherever we have dy by dx, that can be replaced by minus 1 by 2. So minus sine of x plus y, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So both sides 1 by 2 get cancelled there. Minus also get cancelled. So sine of x plus y equals to 1. Clear? So from this, did you get any point of contact? No. But we are going to get, see here. Whenever sine of x plus y equal to 1. Okay. So what is the angle here? 90. Where you will get 1 for sine? 90. And also minus 270. This is very important. So this is the knowledge you have to know. From the table values or graph, we can identify. Where you look at sine something is 1. At sine 91, sine of minus 270 also 1. In this range, correct? We have to take value of x in this range only, right? So now, x plus y equals to, I can take pi by 2 or minus 3 pi by 2 also. Hope you can understand. Sine 90, 1. Sine of minus 270 also 1. That you can observe. It's very easy. Now, whenever sine of x plus y equals to 1, then what about cos of x plus y, which is the given curve? 0. Correct or not? Cos of x plus y equal to 0. Because sine 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Similarly, cos of 270 also 0. Cos of odd multiple of 90 also 0. Right? So, x plus y equals to, here what will we get? Whenever cos of x plus y equals 0, x plus y equals to 90. Correct? So from this, what will we get? Whenever x plus y equals 90, so from this what can write? Y value 0. Okay? So whenever cos of x plus y is 0, from this, see here, what is cos of x plus y? y coordinate. So y equal to 0. This is a given function y. Whenever cos of x plus y is 0, means y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0, if I substitute, what will get? Y value here, x value here, pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2. So what are the points here? Pi by 2 comma 0 minus 3 pi by 2 comma 0. Now let us find equations of tangents. So y minus y1 equals to 0 here. M minus 1 by 2 into x minus pi by 2 and y minus 0 again y equals to slope minus 1 by 2 x minus plus 3 pi by 2 here. Here also pi by 2, yes. Now, so from this we can verify the option or we can simplify. So from this what will we get? 2x plus 4y equals to pi. So that means x plus 2y equals to pi by 2. Hope you can understand. By simplifying this we'll get. So here also what will we get? X plus 2y equals to 3 pi by 2 will get. Okay. So these are the equations of tangents. Very easy. Correct? Simple. First of all, from the curve we derive. In the dy by dx we can substitute as minus 1 by 2. By simplifying we got sin of x plus y equal to 1. So this is the point important in this. Whenever sin is 1, what are the angles in this? Pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2. So whenever sin of something 1, cos of same thing 0, because sin 91, cos 90 0. So whenever this is 0, y coordinate is 0. Whenever y coordinate is 0, x coordinates will be pi by 2 or minus 3 pi by 2. So these will be the points of contact. Whenever we have 2 points of contact, there will be 2 equations of tangent. Correct? So these will be the required equations of tangents. So which is the correct option here? Option C. Clear? So hope you understood. Make a note of it. Now look at this question. If the tangents to the curve y equals to x cube plus ax minus b at the point 1 comma minus 5, curve is given, point is given, and tangent is perpendicular to this line. So perpendicular to, not parallel to. So we'll take direct slope or reciprocal slope. Reciprocal slope, correct? Because tangent is perpendicular to this line. What is slope of this line? If you see, slope of this line 1. And what is slope of tangent? Minus 1. So our slope of tangent is minus 1. To minus 1 we should equate dy by dx. Correct? Now after that we can find the values of a and b. Small a, small b. Then only that curve will become original. Okay? Then by verifying the option simply we'll be going to get the required answer. Clear? It's very easy. So we are going to make the given curve as original by finding a value, b value. Correct? Now, chalo, fatafat will solve. See, derive this one. I am taking directly dy by dx. Derive this 3x square plus derivation of ax, derivation of constant 0. So this dy by dx should be equated to minus 1. Why? Slope of this tangent is perpendicular to this one. Okay. So what is slope of this one? Minus a by b, minus 1 plus 1. So slope of that line is 1. Then slope of tangent will be minus 1. Correct? Minus 1. So, and this is dy by dx. Point is given. Substitute point there. Right? So then only we will get slope. So dy by dx at 1 comma minus 5. Let us substitute 3 into 1 square, 1, 3 plus a equals to minus 1. By this, what is a value? Minus 4. Correct or not? So a value minus 4. Now one more thing. This point lies on the tangent and lies on the curve also. Correct? So can I substitute this point on the curve also? by using a value will get b value, simple. Okay, so what is the given curve? Y equal x cube plus ax minus b. Let me substitute 1 comma minus 5 here. Minus 5 in place of y, 1 in place of x. So minus 5 equals to 1 cube, 1. Okay, plus what is a? Minus 4. So minus 4 into x value 1. So minus b. So from this what will you get b? Here minus 3 plus 5, 2. That's all. After getting a value, b value, this curve will become original. Now tell me what will be the original curve? Y equals to x cube plus ax. What is a? Minus 4 x minus b. So this is our required curve. Then which of the following point lies on the curve? This is our original curve, correct or not? So how did we make it original? We know, right? Just derivate this, substitute point, we can equate to slope of tangent. Slope of normal is 1 because perpendicular. Whatever line perpendicular to tangent is normal. Normal slope 1, tangent slope minus 1. Equate to that by substituting point, we'll get a value. After that, this point also lies on the curve. Substitute, we'll get b value. By substituting a value, b value, this curve will become original. And verify the option now. Can I put minus 2 comma 1 here? Here 1. Here minus 2 cube, minus 8 plus 6. Minus 2, minus 4. Okay, it's not correct. Now, minus 2 plus 2. Here 2, minus 2 cube, minus 8. Minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8. Minus 2. So it's not correct. Now 0 minus 1. 0, 0. Minus 2 will get. This is also not correct. So this will be correct obviously. See, if I y minus 2, x 2, 2 cube, 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 get cancelled, minus 2 same. Clear? So hope you have understood. Okay, we should not make it lengthy, right? We have to solve the maximum within minimum time. Okay, we have to solve maximum in minimum time. Hope you have understood. Make a note of it. Now, look at this question. The normal to the curve x equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta, y equals to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. At any point theta, in place of theta, any angle we can substitute. Okay, so that is open to us. Is such that, so which of the following options is correct? Actually, this is more than one correct option. Okay, right? So we are going to find normal. So how the normal would be for this curve? So first from outlook, what can I understand? This curve is given in parametric form, and we know how to find dy by dx when you are given curve in parametric form. What is that? Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. That is dy by dx. Okay. So first of all, let us derive this in parametric form, right? So first of all, let me find out dy by d theta. Okay, derive this. A into derivation of sin theta, a constant outside, derivation of sin theta cos theta. Now this is in UV method. Minus theta as the derivation of cos theta minus sin theta. Here plus inside actually. So minus multiplied minus by keeping cos theta as it is, derivation of theta 1. Clear? So minus cos theta plus cos theta cancel. Clear? So now, so this is, what do we get? A theta sin theta. So similarly, if you derive dx by d theta, okay, actually we did this model problem many times, right? So definitely we'll get tan theta, correct? So dx by d theta, if you solve in the similar manner, we'll get a theta cos theta. You can check, okay, it's very easy. Hope you can solve that. Dy by dx, this one by this one, a theta sin theta by a theta cos theta, correct? So dy by d theta by dx by d theta, what would you get? Tan theta. So at any point theta we are going to. Acha, let me substitute theta equal pi by 4. So theta can be anything. So I would like to substitute theta equal pi by 4. So what do we get? So dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 4. What do we get? Tan 45, 1. So our slope is 1. Okay. This is slope of tangent. Right. Now what is slope of normal? Minus 1. That we know. So slope of normal is minus 1. Normal minus 1. Now let us find the point. Let us make the point original. So this is only the point of contact. X coordinate is that, y coordinate is this. Let me substitute pi by 4 there. So what will get x coordinate? If I substitute x, a into, so cos 45, 1 by root 2. Okay. Theta, pi by 4 again. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. So pi by 4 root 2. Clear? So hope you can understand here. Right? That means, what can write? Here 4 root 2 LCM. Right? So 4 root 2, 4 plus pi. Or pi plus 4. 4 plus pi I am writing. So this is x value. Okay? Now similarly, what will get y value? So y equals to, if we substitute theta equal 45 in this, so here we'll get a into 4 minus pi by 4 root 2. Simple. Whenever it is 4 plus pi, that is 4 minus pi. This is my point and this is slope. Let us find equation of normal. Okay, it's very easy now. Equation of normal. Okay, we are not going to find equation of normal here. We are going to verify the option by finding the normal equation. See, y minus y1 is this. A into 4 minus pi by 4 root 2. Right? Equals to m minus 1, slope of normal. X minus a into 4 plus pi by, so 2 root 2. Clear? So you can simplify this. Actually we don't need equation. If you simplify this, okay, so we get 4 root 2 y minus a into 4 minus pi equals to minus 1 into 4 root 2 x, okay, minus a into pi plus 4. This is 4 root 2. Okay. Now if we simplify this, we'll get x plus y equals to minus a pi by 2 root 2. So this is the equation of normal. That's it. Okay. Just verify the option. Right. First thing. Now you tell me, whenever tangent makes an angle theta, then what about angle made by normal? Pi by 2 plus theta. Correct? That we have discussed already. See, so whenever tangent makes angle theta here, then normal makes pi by 2 plus theta. That we have discussed already in the previous video. Whenever tangent makes theta angle, theta plus pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus theta will be outside angle which inclined by, so which made by normal. Correct? So this is the result. It makes an angle pi by 2 plus theta with x-axis. That is the general result. Every normal makes pi by 2 plus theta only with the x-axis. Whenever tangent makes theta angle. Correct? Now it passes through origin. So this line is passing through origin? No. Now, is it passes through this point? A pi by 2 minus a. A pi by 2 minus a. Will you get this result? No. Now, is it at a constant distance from the origin? Yes. Okay. So, mod c by root a square plus b square. That is distance from the origin to any line. Will get some constant. Correct or not? Obviously, every line is at some distance from the origin. Okay. So options B and D are correct. It's very easy. Okay. Now just whenever you are given parametric form, we have to make it fast finding dy by dx, tan theta. Let us substitute theta equal pi by 4. Theta can be anything. Pi by 4 if I substitute 1, slope of normal will be minus 1. Let us make the point original now. X coordinate, y coordinate. X coordinate is this, y coordinate is this. This is the point. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So we can get equation normal. From that we can verify the option. Clear? So we can make it fast also, just by observing general results in this, whichever satisfy, whichever suit to this question. Clear? So hope you understood. Make a note of it. Now let us look at this question. The curve given by x plus y equals to e power xy has a tangent parallel to the y-axis. Okay. First of all, one curve is given, that is given in implicit form or explicit form? Implicit form. So when you are given curve in implicit form, how can you find dy by dx? We have discussed a shortcut in the previous video, right? Now anyway we can find dy by dx. But tangent is parallel to x-axis or y-axis. Whenever tangent is parallel to x-axis, slope is 0. Means dy by dx equal to 0. But whenever tangent is parallel to y-axis, dx by dy equal to 0. It's very simple. Correct? Now that curve is passing through which of the following points we are going to find. Okay? Now, but generally if you verify the option, 0, 1 satisfies this one. 0 plus 1, 1. Here also 0 into 1, 0, e power 0, 1. 0, 1 is satisfying the curve. But 1, 0 is satisfying the curve. Correct? So option will be either of these two compulsory. Correct? Now these two will be eliminated because these two does not lie on that curve. So options will be either of A or B. Right? Now, so let us go for derivating this curve first. Okay, so fatafat, x plus y minus e power xy equal to 0. So this is implicit function. So f of x comma y equal to 0 form means where we cannot write that expression in terms of y equal to f of x. Y equal to f of x is explicit. We cannot take y from this. How can find dy by dx? Directly by using shortcut. See, dy by dx equals to minus dou of x by dou of y. Okay? Derivation of that function with respect to x. Whenever you derive that function with respect to x, treat y as constant. Down, whenever you derive with respect to y for the same function, treat x as constant. Okay? Now, derive this term, this function with respect to x first. Is there any x term? Yes. Derivation of x, 1. Is there any x term? No, 0. Is there any x term? Yes. E power something, e power same thing. Again inside derivation will do. If you derive xy, derivation of x, 1. Why as it is? No uv here. We are derivating partially. Right? So derive x term only. If you derive this power, derivation of x, 1. 1 into y, y. That's it. It's very easy. Now, derivation of same function with respect to y. Derivation, is there any y term? No, 0. 0. Derivation of y, 1. Here, e power xy, e power something, e power same thing. Derivation of xy. Okay, x as this, derivation of y, 1, x. Okay, for y support is there, x will be written as it is. If you have separate y, that will be 0. Here, separate x, 0, right? Now this is very easy. Now in order to simplify this, just this can be equal to 2. 1 by 0. This is dy by dx. So here, tangent is parallel to x-axis or y-axis? Y-axis. Then dx by dy equal to 0. Dx by dy equal to 0. Not dy by dx equal to 0. Whenever tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx equal to 0. Whenever tangent is parallel to y-axis, reverse. Dx by dy equal to 0. So reciprocal. Right? Now this term will become 0. Correct? If you write reciprocal, this term will be up, this term will be 0. That's it. Finished. Just verify the option. X into e power xy equals to 1. Just verify the option. Okay? Verify the given curve. and verify the equation of tangent. Which of the following points satisfied? Here can I put 0 comma 1? Can I put 0? 0 to everything 0. But here we need to get 1. So 1 comma 0 is correct. 1. E power 1 into 0. E power 0. 1. 1 into 1. 1. So 1 comma 0 will be the correct option. Right? So make the maximum in minimum time. Make a note of it. Now look at this question, which is very important model. Okay, so which was given in JEE Mains 2017. Okay, now so clearly we can observe that this curve is given in parametric form, number 1, right? And whenever curve is given in parametric form, we know how to find dy by dx. How can you find dy by dt by dx by dt? Correct? After that, we'll get one slope in terms of t. Then what is the point of contact? The curve itself point of contact, right? By using same curve as point and by using that slope, which we'll get from dy by dt by dx by dt, will form an equation of tangent. The tangent is going to cut the same curve at another point. That point we are going to find out. So graph is like this. See, simple, right? Okay, so this is the curve. Imagine, so one tangent is going to cut at P. Okay, this is the point, right? This is also going to cut at another point Q. So this point we are finding. But by using one point, can't you find equation of tangent by making use of slope? After that we can verify the options. Correct? So it's very easy. Now let us go for finding dy by dx first. Correct? Now, so dy by dx equals to dy by dt by dx by dt. Right? Now dy by dt means derivation of this. Okay, 8 into t cube, 3t square. Right? Derivation of minus 1, 0. Here. So 4 into 2t. So what will you get? T get cancelled. Okay. So 4 2 is 8. So finally what will you get? 3t. So this is the dy by dx. So let us imagine this as slope. Right? Now what is point here? Curve itself point. 4t square plus 3. 8t cube minus 1. Now let us find equation of tangent. Okay, this is slope. Right? So this is slope. Now, so y minus 8t cube plus 1 minus multiplied. So m into x minus x1, x minus 4t square minus 3. Okay, just minus multiplied inside there. Okay, minus multiplied inside. Okay, so now from that just multiply inside y minus 8t cube plus 1. So 3xt minus 12t cube minus 9t. So by writing all together, x term 3xt, y term minus y. So finally 8t cube go there. So minus 4t cube. So let me write these all separately. 4t cube plus 9t plus 1. That's it. So this is the equation of tangent. X term, y term, constant term. Just verify the option. Which of the following options is correct? This tangent also passes through which of these following points? Just verify the option fatafat. See, first option will take t square plus 3. See, in place of x, t square plus 3, let me substitute, minus y. Already y is negative, so plus I can write t cube plus 1. That's it. See, 3t into t square, 3t cube plus 9t plus t cube plus 1. See here, 4t cube plus 9t plus 1. Correct. So option A is correct. That's it. Just by verifying the option. So make it easy. Don't make it lengthy. Right? We have to solve maximum and minimum time. First, fatafat we need to find dy by dx and take that slope, take that as slope and take this as point and find equation one line which is tangent. So finally we'll go for verifying the option. So every activity should be done fastly. That's it. Okay. So maximum we should avoid writing each and every step. Okay. So hope you understood. Pause the video, make a note of it. Supermodel. Now let us discuss some important model on which problems were given in the last 3-4 year papers. Okay, if you observe in JEE mains. Okay, so here what was that model? We'll see. Till now we have found out equation of tangent by using slope. By derivating that curve we have found out slope, and we have found out length of normal, length of subnormal, and we have discussed problems on length of tangent, length of subtangent, and we have also found out angle between two curves. And whenever two curves cut orthogonally, so what will be the angle, so what will be the condition. So we have discussed many problems on those previous models. Okay, now this model is little different but easy, okay, and very important. Okay, so now let us see, let us take the curve y equal to f of x. Okay, so this is the curve y equal to f of x. Generally we'll take every curve as. Okay, so now we are going to draw the tangent from outside point. Okay, till now we have discussed problems on point on the curve, means that point satisfied. See, if you take point, right, if you take point, right, that point satisfies the curve and the tangent as well, correct. But here we are going to draw the tangent from outside point to the curve. Okay, so let me take one outside point. Let us take it as a comma b. So from that we are going to draw the tangent to that given curve. Okay, then how can I take that point of contact? That is important. So that model problems are very important. Okay, here tangent was drawn from outside point to the given curve. Okay, so now if I draw one tangent, okay, right, so this is the tangent, imagine, right. Now so this point can be taken as, if you take t, if you take x as t, what will be y? F of t, simple. Okay, so taking point of contact on the curve is very easy from the nature of this curve. Okay, so for example, y equal to x square is the curve. Y equal to x square is the curve. Generally y equal to x square curve will be like this. Correct? So then how can take a duplicate point on this curve? T comma t square. Correct or not? If you take x as t, y will be t square. If you take x as 1, y as 1. If you take x as 2, y will be 4, 2 square. So 2 comma 4. So 3 comma 9. Right? 4 comma 16. Like that we can expect points on this curve y equal to x square. Clear? So like this we have to take point on the curve, and problems on this model are very important. Okay, so for example, and in this case, how can you find equation of tangent? So how can you find equation of tangent? Right? So y minus, okay, y1. So let me take this as x1, y1. So this as x1, y1, let us take, which was given already. So y minus y1 equals to m. What is slope of this PQ? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is the slope of tangent here, because after taking a duplicate point on the curve, okay, we can find slope of this tangent by using 2-point form, right? y2 minus y1 f of t minus b by x2 minus x1 t minus a, slope into x minus x1, x1 y1 is this. Clear? So this will be equation of tangent, right? And as we have discussed one more thing, whenever tangent is parallel to x-axis, what is the condition? dy by dx equals 0, slope equals 0. Whenever tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx equals 0. Whenever tangent is parallel to y-axis, then dx by dy equals 0. That also we have discussed in the previous model problems. Okay, so make a note of it. Hope you have understood. We'll be going to solve problems on this topic. Okay, so in the last two boards, so questions were given on this model only. Okay, so hope you have understood. Pause the video, make a note of it. Now let us look at first question in this model. An equation of tangent to the curve y equal to x power 4 from the point, not at the point on the curve. This point is not on the curve. You can check it out. 2, 0 does not lie on the curve. This is outside point. From this outside point, a tangent is drawn to that curve. That equation we are finding. Correct? So now you tell me, first of all, let us derive this one. Okay? So y equals to x power 4. Correct? So now, how can I take a duplicate point on this? First, after taking curve, take a general point on this. How can take a point? Let p of, if you take t, then y value will be t power 4. Be a point on the curve. I am writing each and every step. Okay, understand? So for your convenience, we are going to write now. So t power 4, right? Now derive this one, dy by dx. So 4x cube. Correct? Now let us substitute this point, then we'll get slope. So what is slope? If I substitute t, 4t cube. Correct? So this is the slope, this is the point, everything is duplicate. Correct? Now let us find equation of tangent. Okay, so how can we find equation of tangent? Y minus y1 equals to y minus t power 4, y1, m 4t cube into x minus x1 t. Correct? And one more thing, this is equation of tangent. Correct? So for example, this is the curve. Okay, now this is the point P. Now outside point Q. What is that? T comma 2 comma 0. Okay, from outside point one tangent is drawn. Correct? So 2 comma 0 also lies on the tangent. Correct? 2 comma 0 also lies on this tangent. Correct? Substitute there, we'll get t value. After getting t value, slope will become original, point will become original, then we are going to find equation of tangent. Correct? So now substitute 2 comma 0, 2 in place of x, 0 in place of y, 0 minus t power 4 minus t power 4 and 4t cube. What is x here? 2. 2 minus t. Correct? So t power 4 t cube cancel. Here one more t left. So from this what will you get? See, we should not cancel actually. So t value will be 0 here. Right? If you observe, whenever you are going to find t value, we should not eliminate t terms. Okay? See here. 4t cube into 2 minus t, because t equals 0 also it will be satisfied. Correct or not? T equals 0 also satisfies both sides. If you put t equals 0, 0 left side, right side also 0. So t equals 0 also one solution. Correct? So t equals 0 we should take. After that we can cancel and we can go for finding another value for t. Now, so minus t equals that one. So t equals to 8 by 3. Correct? Here t will be left. So 4 to 8 minus 40. So 40 equals to that one. Okay? Right? So t equal 8 by 3. So from this, whenever t is 0, what is slope? 4 into 0, 0. Slope is 0. Because slope of first tangent. What is slope of second tangent? We take m2. Now 8 by 3. So 4 into 8 by 3 whole cube. Correct? Now, whenever t is 0, what is first point? 0 comma 0. Correct? Now, whenever t is 8 by 3, what is point? 8 by 3 comma 8 by 3 power 4. That's it. Point slope. Correct? But by verifying the option, which of the following options is correct here? This one. Okay? So y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So by this, what can I understand? y equal to 0 is correct. Okay, and from this also we can get one more equation of tangent which is not needed there. Okay, just verify the option, we should not waste our time, right? So y equal to 0 is correct. So option B will be the correct option, right? So hope you have understood. Pause the video, make a note of it. Now let us look at this question. So which is in the previous model, okay? So which is similar to the previous one. See here. Here also we are going to find equation of tangents. We are going to find two equations of tangents if you observe the options there. And find the equation of tangent drawn from the curve from the origin. Okay, it's very easy. So here tangent is drawn from the origin, right? So tangent is drawn from the origin, right? X-axis, y-axis. So this is y equal to f of x. Let us take a general curve, correct or not? So diagram will be like this. Anyway, so this is for your understanding, right? Now, so let us go for taking general point first, because tangent is not drawn from the point on the curve. Origin is outside point, not on the curve. Now, so let me take y equal to x minus 1 whole cube. After taking curve, let us take general point. Let, so p equals to, if you substitute x equal t there, y value t minus 1 whole cube. Correct or not? Whenever x value t, if I substitute, y value will be t minus 1 whole cube. Complete RHS, right? This is general point on the curve. Now, whenever you have point, we need to find slope also to find equation of tangent. Derivate this. Okay, we derivate this dy by dx equals to, so 3 into x minus 1 whole square, x cube derivation 3x square, x cube form 3 into that one square. Again inside derivation 1 minus 0, 1, right? Now substitute this point, will get slope. Okay, so slope equals to 3 into, in place of x, put t there, t minus 1 whole square. So this is the slope, this is the slope, and this is the point. We can find equation of tangent easily here, right? So what is the equation of tangent now? So what is the equation of tangent? Y minus y1, so t minus 1 whole cube equals to m 3 into t minus 1 whole square into x minus x1 t, correct? So we should not simplify till the end. Simple. This is equation of tangent. So on the equation of tangent, origin lies on that, correct? So because tangent is passing through origin, actually tangent is drawn from the origin, so definitely origin lies on the tangent. Substitute 0 comma 0. Substitute x as 0, y as 0. 0 here, here also 0. Now 0 minus of t minus 1 whole cube. Okay, so now 3 into t minus 1 whole square into minus t, correct? Here also, now if you substitute, what will be the correct option? We'll see now. Here t minus 1 whole cube, t minus 1 whole cube, t minus 1 whole square, we can cancel there. But what will be the correct option there? So from this, so what are the possible values of t? Can I put t equals to 1? Before cancelling, but we should not eliminate t minus 1, t minus 1. T equals to 1 is the correct option. See here, t equal to 1 if you substitute, 1 minus 1, 0. Here also 1 minus 1, 0. So both sides 0 will get. So t equal to 1 is the root. T equal to 1 is the root. By taking one root, now we can eliminate. Okay, so here what do we get? Minus of t minus 1 equals to minus 3t. So minus minus get cancelled. What do we get here? T equals to minus 1 by 2. Correct or not? So t equals to minus 1 by 2, t equals to 1. With respect to these two t values, two values of t, we'll get two slopes. By using two slopes, we'll get 2 points of contact. We'll get two equations of tangent. Correct? So t equal to 1 if we substitute, 1 minus 1, 0. So slope is 0. From this, slope is 0. Hope you can understand. T equal to minus of minus 1, minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4, 27 by 4. Correct? So slope is 27 by 4. Correct? Now t value we need to substitute here also. If you put t value 1, so what is the point? 1 comma, so 1 minus 1 0, 1 comma 0 is the point, correct? Now m equal 27. Anyway, tangent is passing through origin, given, clear, right? So whenever tangent is passes through origin, that will be in the form of y equal to mx. Everywhere you are given y equal to mx. So we don't need to find points here. We don't need to find point of contact, because tangent is given with respect to point as the origin. Okay, tangents are given with respect to the origin, not that point P. Correct? Simple. Y equal to mx. So y equal to mx. In place of m, if you put 0, y equal to 0. 27 by 4x. Simple. Okay. So which of the following options are correct? So option C. Clear? So hope you understood, right? So it is very similar to previous question, right? Pause the video, make a note of it. Now see here, this question is also similar to previous one, but in the previous one we have found out equation of tangent. Here we are discussing about equation of normal, right? Normal means we derive this, substitute this point, will get slope of tangent and take the reciprocal of that and change the sign. So with that we are going to, but normal is drawn from outside point. 3, 0 does not lie on this curve. Okay, actually this model is that, right? Now, so first of all, let us take the curve x square equals to 4y. Now let us take a duplicate point. How can I take? See, if I take x equal t, so what is y value? T square by 4, correct or not? Hope you can understand. From this, y equals to x square by 4. Clear? This is my curve. We can simplify the curve like this, right? Now whenever you take x as t, y as t square by 4. After that, derive this dy by dx. What will you get? So 2x by 4. Now what will you get? X by 2. Correct? So now substitute this point, will get slope. Slope of tangent, right? So what is slope of tangent will get? So t by 2. Correct? So this is slope of tangent, but we are discussing about equation normal. So reverse slope of normal minus 2 by t. Correct or not? So slope of normal will be minus 2 by t. Correct? So y minus. Now what is the point here? T square by 4. Correct? What is slope? Minus 2 by t into x minus x1 t. Correct? So now cross multiply. Before that, you take LCM there. 4y. Right? Just stop here. This is passing through 3, 0 or not? Substitute 3, 0. Then we can find t value like previous one, right? Put 3 in place of x, 0 in place of y. So here 0 minus t square by 4, t square by 4 equal to minus 2 by t. Okay, so what is x? 3 minus t. Now cross multiply there. What will you get? T cube. Okay, now t cube. So here t cube will get. So from that what will you get? So minus minus get cancelled here, right? So t cube by 8, correct? So t cube by 8 equals to 3 minus t, right? So from this, what can you get? So what value will satisfy this condition? See and observe. Can I put 2 here? If I put 2 here, 2 cube, 8, 8 by 8, 1. Here also 2, 3 minus 2, 1. That's it. The simple observation. See here, from this, t equal to is correct or not? So 3 minus 2, 1. 2 cube, 8 by 8, 1. That's it. No need to make it lengthy and solve it, right? No need to make it cubic equation and solving, right? T equal to. Whenever t equal to, then slope of normal will become original. So minus 1. Okay. So now what is the equation of normal? So what will be the equation of normal here? Substitute. So y minus, so y minus 0, right? Here also if you put 2 there, 2 comma 1, so 2 comma 1 here, right? So 2 comma 1 is the point, right? Whenever you put 2 there, 2, 4 by 4, 2 comma 1 is the point and slope is minus 1, right? So minus 2 by 2, y minus 1 equals to minus 1 into x minus 2, correct? So from this, if you simplify, y minus 1 x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Clear? Just make it fast, that's it. So t equal to, so this will become 1. So slope of normal will be 1, sorry, minus 1. Now what is the point? 2 comma 2 square by 4, 2 comma 1. So point slope, that's it. Clear? So which of the following options is correct here? Option B. Correct? So hope you have understood. Pause the video, make a note of it. Now, so let us look at this question. This model is very important. So this is expected model. Okay. Distance of point P on the curve y equal to x power 3 by 2. Okay. So y equal to x power 3 by 2 can I write as y equal to x root x. Correct or not? X power 1 by 2, x power 1. 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Correct? So which is nearest to the point 4 comma 0. Okay. Whatever point on the curve that is nearest to one point on the x-axis 4 comma 0. Okay. So for that point, distance from the origin we are going to find out. Okay. So it's very easy. When can we say one point is near to that one? See, this is the curve, right? Now, one point is there. What is that point? Let us take, see, x comma x power 3 by 2. Correct or not? Let me take a duplicate point on this curve. If you take x power 3 by 2, that is general point. So instead of t comma t power 3 by 2, I am taking x comma x power 3 by 2. It doesn't make any difference. So x comma x power 3 by 2, correct? So now, distance of point P which is nearest to the point 4 comma 0. See here. So this is nearest to the point 4 comma 0. So when can I say this distance is nearest means minimum? Whenever this is normal. So this point is important here. Whenever P, so let me take this as M. Okay. Now, so whenever PM is, when PM will be least, okay. So whenever PM is minimum, whenever this line is the normal for that curve, okay. So this will become the normal for this curve, and imagine this is the tangent, okay. So this is the tangent, right. So whenever these two are perpendicular, see, so whenever these two lines are tangent and normal, obviously product of slopes is minus 1. Okay, so slope of tangent into slope of normal equal minus 1. So what is slope of this one? P point is there, M point is there, PM slope. Correct or not? So one thing we have to remember that whenever PM is least, okay, then PM must be the normal for that curve. That's it. That is a point important which we have to understand in this question. Okay, so I am writing here for your convenience. So PM will be least if it is a normal, to the curve, that means, so slope of PM into slope of tangent equals to minus 1, correct or not? Right? So slope of PM normal, slope of tangent minus 1. Okay. Now what is slope of tangent? We derivate this one. Correct? So derivate this one. So what will we get? Dy by dx equals to, so 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2. Correct or not? N into x power n minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2. Correct? So I can take 3 by 2 root x. So correct or not? So what is slope? Now substitute point also there. Okay, let me take this one as x1 suppose. Okay, x1 correct. So this will be the slope 3 by 2 x1. Now so PM slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. x1 power 3 by 2 minus 0 by x1 minus 4. Instead of x1 we can take t also, not a problem, right? Into what is slope of tangent here? 3 by 2 into root x1, okay, equals to minus 1. x1 means x1 power 1 by 2, correct or not? So x1 power 3 by 2, x1 power 1 by 2, what will you get? x1 power 4 by 2, x1 square, correct? So that means what will you get here? 3 into x1 square, so plus 2x1 minus 8 equals 0. Just simplify this, will get, okay, it's not difficult, right? So x1 power 1 by 2, x1 power 3 by 2, x1 power 4 by 2, x1 square. So 3x1 square. Now 2 multiply to this and send it to that side. So we'll get a quadratic equation in x1. So what are the roots for this? x1 equals to 4 by 3 I can get. Okay. So whenever x1 is 4 by 3, this point will become original now. Okay. So what will be P? 4 by 3 comma 4 by 3 power 3 by 2. That's it. What you are going to find out? Distance of this point from the origin, OP. So what is distance of any point from the origin? Root of x square plus y square. Hope you understand. Root of 4 by 3 square, 16 by 9. And this one square, 2 to cancel, 4 cube, 64 by 9. So finally, okay, here 4 square 16. Now what will you get from this? Here 4 cube 64, here 27, correct? Now from this what will you get? 112 by 27. So this is the required length. So it's very easy to understand. So first of all, given curve. So given curve, if you derive, we'll get slope of tangent. This is slope of tangent after substituting point, duplicate point, right? After that, what is slope of normal? PM slope. Just multiply, equate to minus 1, we'll get one relation x1, we'll get x1. By using x1 value, we can make this point original. After that, distance of this point from the origin we can find. Clear? So it's very easy, right? So these are the maximum number of models from this topic, tangent and normal, as we have discussed already in the previous videos also. There are 3 videos with this, okay? I think 4 videos, right? So just if you go through those videos, okay, by discussing previous year problems and problems from different sources of textbooks, okay, so definitely damn sure you are going to crack one problem from this topic in the main exam. Okay, so 4 marks will be guaranteed if you go through all these problems in my previous videos. Okay, and thanks for watching these videos, and if you like those videos, so please subscribe and like it. So thank you all.